currently working as manager in a bank at Mumbai. I am 52 years old and have had diabetes for a few years. On having fever, cold and body ache, I was initially diagnosed and treated as typhoid patient. After CT scan, doctors suspected it to be COVID-19. Hence, my swab for COVID-19 test was taken. We are 3 persons in the family, staying in one bedroom flat. My son is 25 years old and my mother is 82 years old. On suspecting it to be COVID-19, my wife anticipated that all of us will be isolated or quarantined from each other. My wife immediately arranged to procure 3 sets of homeopathic medicines prescribed for COVID-19. We all started taking homeopathy intensely under guidance of Dr. Pachegaonkar, Director of Sri Aurobindo Center for Homeopathy, Sri Aurobindo Society, Pondicherry. While waiting for confirmation by swab test, we finished 2 days of intense course of homeopathic medicines. Once the report came positive, I was moved to Nanavati's COVID-19 ward by my son. I carried the set of homeopathic medicines and took them as per guidance of homeopathic physician Dr. Pachegaonkar. Almost twice a day, I used to consult on the phone and take homeopathic as per advice. I started improving. My oxygen saturation was well maintained. I used to get a fever for which the hospital promptly gave paracetamol. A homeopathic doctor had convinced us that fever need not be a bad sign. Finally, the Nanavati doctors took a swab for a repeat test, and next day the report came that I am negative for COVID-19. I was kept for 4 days more under observation and discharged from hospital to be home quarantined for 14 days more than from May 25, 2020. I am happy that I could tide over the disease infection successfully in spite of being diabetic. My son, 25 years, who has been in close contact with me, also is safe, and so is my mother, who is 82 years of age. Thank you, sir.
My husband, having fever, cold, and body pain, was initially diagnosed and treated for typhoid. After CT scan, the doctor suspected it to be COVID-19. Therefore, the swab was given for testing. Meanwhile, I immediately contacted my physician, Mr. Uttareshwar Pachegaonkar, who is director of Sri Aurobindo Center for Homeopathy, Sri Aurobindo Society, Pondicherry. I requested him for medical assistance. He assured me medical guidance and prescribed me set of medicines. We started giving those medicines to my husband, my son, and my mother-in-law. As all of these were staying together in 1 BHK flat at Mumbai, we were having suspicion of infection to all of them. Next day, the swab test came positive. My son admitted my husband to Nanavati Hospital. My husband carried all those medicines along with him. He used to consult my doctor twice a day and consume homeopathic medicines as per his prescription. He was improving day by day. His oxygen saturation level was well maintained. After 4 days, he was tested for COVID-19 again. The test came negative. He was kept for observation and then after discharged. Meanwhile, my son and my mother-in-law, they were at home. They were consuming homeopathic medicines as per the prescription of my doctor. My son and my mother-in-law, they were having fever, cold, runny nose and cough. But all those symptoms were resolved by homeopathic medicines. Now, all my family members are having good health and having good medical conditions. I thank you, my doctor, for giving me medical guidance and moral emotional support during this difficult time. Thank you very much.
My father, Mr. was diagnosed with typhoid and was being treated for that. A couple of days after, I started to develop cough and fever. My father also had some breathing difficulties. The X-ray report showed that there are some signs of COVID-19. We got him tested and his report came out to be positive. We admitted him to Nanavati Hospital, Mumbai. After that, I was quarantined at my home with my 82-year-old grandmom. I was also having fever and cough, and even my grandmother had developed sore throat and cough. We decided that I would not get tested because if I got tested positive, I would be quarantined in some other place. So, who would take care of my grandmother? Dr. Pachegaonkar supported this decision. We took his medications continuously. In some days, my symptoms started to fade out. Even my grandmother's symptoms started to fade out. And now we are perfectly fine and energetic. I thank Mr. Pachegaonkar for his guidance.